We'll guide you through how to install the YouTube app on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really cool to be able to do because you can then easily go and start accessing YouTube. You can go and watch your favorite content creators. You can go and upload your own videos there, manage your channel, amongst doing other things. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. First of all, you need to go and find the App Store. So it looks just like this. If you struggle to find it on your homepage, you want to go and drag down. Then you can go and type in App Store, and there it is. You can tap on it, and it's then going to go and open up. Then what you can do is come down to the bottom, and we need to go and find the search. I found that to be the quickest way of finding it. You could probably browse your apps, but search is going to be quicker. Then come to the top and tap on the search bar, and you want to go and type in YouTube. And we can search for that. Then you can come down the page and you want to go and find YouTube. Now, for you, to the right is most likely you'll go and say get. I can't find an example here, but mine has the cloud icon because I've had it before. But if it's the first time you're getting it, it'll go and say get. So what you need to do is go and tap there and you'll then get a pop-up and you'll probably have to complete Face ID or enter your password. It is a free app. I didn't have to there as I've gone and had it before. So we'll just go and wait for this to go and finish, and it now says open. So we could go and press open there. Otherwise, we can come out of the App Store and go and find the YouTube app. Of course, you can drag down and search for it as well. Then we can go and open it up, and it says welcome to YouTube. We can go and continue with this account here, or we can go and select an account or continue without signing in. I'll go and use the account here that it's given me. I'll press allow, and now we can go and get using it. Let's go and check out GuideRealm. And we could then go and watch a GuideRealm video. It's that simple. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again.